Today's the day. It is now. We're taking the RZR on a ride. It's changed a little bit from the last time you guys seen it. He's painted these white. Looks pretty good, I think. He's also got that white instead of red. Just some subtle changes he's made. I think that front end looks better. A lot better from what it did from last video. But yeah, let's get going.
Look at them! They mountain folks! Everybody like, oh, they gonna be on YouTube. They like, this is weird. Why is he shouting?
That was the whippiest freaking throw I think I've ever could have done.
Well, I heard it. It was like,
Real throw?
There we go, real throw. I don't know where it is.
Well, the RZR's taking it like a champ. These roads have been really rocky, really bumpy. There's a campfire right here. I think we're gonna move on. Oh, running and doing this is not easy. Oh, it's so much fun though. Look how funny that is! Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. It's not really much of a vlog, it's more of just a UTV ride, whatever. But right now we're up at the Uinta Mine. I believe that's right. Okay. We're in the Uinta National Forest. Look it up. It's kind of a cool place. If you're in Utah, come visit. Say hi.
I haven't hiking in a while.
Well, now it's turned into a hiking vlog.
We're in the wilderness.
Oh gosh, I haven't hiked in a long time.
There's a lot of bobcats.
A lot of bobcats.
Tigers and lions.
Bears. Oh my.
Ostriches.
Oh wow. This is an actual like, you got this. Holy moly. Good luck, babe. Wow. That was really steep. Like, no joke. It was pretty freaking steep. Like, this is insane. Oh my goodness. I've never been up here. It's beautiful. It is quite the hike though. The incline is pretty steep. Me and my wife did some hiking in the summer. Okay. It was nowhere this steep. Nowhere near this steep.
Try Angel's Landing.
I bet that one's pretty good. So this is me looking straight, and I have to look up. That doesn't do anything for the incline, but Still, it's
I
high.
could jump to Kevin right now.
You literally could. Holy ow. Should I go a different way?
We'll take a few deep breaths before we go back in.
That's always a good idea. Think I can grab that rock?
Yeah, as long as it doesn't break, fall, land on your head and knock you out. Don't laugh.
I don't want to put my foot. Go right here. Nope. Oh, these are tight pants. Oh, that was easy. Hi. How you doing? Wow. It's nice up here. It's cool. Yeah, we came from a valley into another valley, and here we are. This is so uneasy up here. I'm not one for heights. Keep that in mind. I'm doing this for you. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Now this is the slide to get back down. So basically all you do is you get a good running start from the top. You run, you slide.
Hey, how much of a drop is that from here?
Too much.
So I can jump it?
No,
I'm
do
6
not
foot
jump it.
tall.
Do not jump that.
Probably about
That's
Do not
6?
jump
about
it.
9. About 9
It's
foot
like
tall.
two and
You
a
jump
half
it
of you.
and you break your leg, you're walking.
Yeah.
I will literally follow behind you in the razor and let you walk. With a broken leg.
I'm not really gonna jump it.
Kevin wanted to give it a drive, so I'm gonna let him drive it real quick. Drop through the puddles and whatnot. He's gonna turn around and stuff. I don't know where he's going. He's going somewhere. I'm right in the middle. I'm going this way. Hold on, wait a minute. He about to hit this puddle full force, so get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Look at that. There you go. Now he's gonna take it around this turn right here. He's gonna come around. My fat ass gonna run real quick. Yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have a RZR, get one. I mean, Can-Am, side by side, get a side by side. By side by side, I say go with like something sports utility, like that. All right, you can do so much with it. You know what I mean? All right. Woo! There he is.
You know I gotta send it, right? I'm hard on things. I'm gonna just let y'all know that right now. I'm sorry. I just want to say I'm sorry. Just in advance, Kurt. It's fun, but I'm sorry. Alright, so the dudes are chilling outside. There you go. That throttle's really touchy, keep that in mind. Oh, it's nice. There you go. There you go, yeah. Hell yeah. Send it! I know my wife, she ain't gonna send it. You gotta get that throttle. Okay, one, she's short. The seat sits back kind of far and it doesn't adjust.
Come on, gun it! Ah, come on.
She can't sit comfortably enough in there to really do anything. That's fun. We got like that puddle was big before, but now it's just a wimpy puddle. So much fun. Oh, mud cake, windshield, you can't see anything. The freshly painted grill is all muddy. That's okay. Jesus!
Yeah, that's a lot more than I expected.
Send it! So we found a tire swing out here in the middle of pretty much nowhere.
This is awesome.
Nice. I don't know how well you guys saw that, but that was pretty cool. Unscrew the thing.
That's what I just did.
Oh, it's really deep. That was deep.
Exhaust radiator. That deep.
That was really deep.
I didn't even touch it. Oh, I did.
Hi. Sorry. Oh snap, I forgot about other puddles. Oh my gosh. High water. Jesus. That was badass.
This is amazing.
I was not expecting that, really. I wasn't. It's not gonna look like this any longer. Like 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! That was the best one yet.
Right in the eye. How's everybody doing?
Hey, we're back on road. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Because you just got drenched. After the RZR ride, we're going for some dominoes. A little muddy. We got pizza, we got a RZR. We got pizza, we got a pizza and a RZR. We got pizza inside of a RZR.
We have pizza and a RZR that's turned on.
Hold it.
Damn seatbelt.
What are you doing?
Driving.
Pizza's not supposed to be sideways, especially when it's hot. We're good. All right, guys, so we're back at home. It was a really fun ride. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked all the shots, clips, water, mud, whatever it was. It was really fun. The views were great. RZR's muddy. We're all muddy. We're all tired. We need showers. But anyway, if you guys liked it, please leave a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content in the future.